Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video, we will learn how to integrate Autopilot and Razorpay. Our use case is pretty simple. When a new contact is added in Autopilot, it will automatically create a new customer in Razorpay. Now Autopilot is an excellent marketing software and Razorpay is a payment provider. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Autopilot to Razorpay. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between Autopilot and Razorpay. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Autopilot and Razorpay. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so just scroll down. And here at the bottom you will find connect. Click on access now. Then at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. Okay, so a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Autopilot to Razorpay. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Autopilot, because we want to send the data from Autopilot. In the trigger event, let's make it as contact added. Now contact added is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new contact is added, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like contact updated, contact added to list, contact unsubscribes, contact left segment, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I want to send the data when a new contact is added. Okay, then click on connect with Autopilot. Okay, so as you can see in the new credentials, it is demanding the Autopilot key. So to get the Autopilot key, let's have a visit to Autopilot. Okay, so this is my Autopilot account. So here at the left side, you will find the option called as settings. Click on settings. Okay, then here you will find the option called as Autopilot API. Click this. So basically this is my Autopilot key. I'm basically copying this and then I'm going to paste it here. Then just click on save. So as you can see, when you click on save, a webhook URL appears. So what is this webhook URL? A webhook URL is usually provided by the receiving application. It basically acts like a phone number that the other applications can call when the event happens. In this case, the receiving application is Pabbly Connect. So basically what we are trying to do is, we are trying to integrate Autopilot to Pabbly Connect. So just click on this button, save and send test request. Okay, so basically the hook ID is showing. It basically means we have integrated Autopilot to Pabbly Connect. So basically this means that anytime a new contact is added in Autopilot, Pabbly Connect will capture this data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, just click on capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we create a dummy contact in Autopilot? So let's go to Autopilot, click on contacts, and here up the right side, right bottom, you will find contacts, add contact. Okay, so the salutation we can keep it as Mr. So the name is 𝗪𝗆𝗯�ស៊. Okay, this is the first name, this is the last name, this is the email. Okay, excellent. This is the company that 𝗪𝗆𝗆 works in, this is the phone number, this is the address. I have basically autofilled all the details. We don't need the Twitter, LinkedIn or website name. Okay, so basically all the details has been entered. Just click on add contact. Okay, so the contact called as 𝗪𝗆𝗍𝗪𝗈 has been added. So let's see, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with the Autopilot, has it captured this data or not? So let's go to Pabbly Connect. Yes, the data has been captured. So this is the first name, that is 𝗪𝗆𝗆. Okay, basically all the details that is present here has been captured by Pabbly Connect. For example, the first name is 𝗪𝗆𝗆, the last name is Williams, the mailing state Haryana. Okay, this is the email fordmotors123@gmail.com, and this is the phone number. Excellent. So basically we have got all the data from Autopilot into Pabbly Connect. Now we have to sync this data to Razorpay. So as to do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, let's make it as Razorpay because we want to create a customer in Razorpay. Now in the action event, let's make it as create a customer. Okay, now there are many more action events like update a customer, update subscription, create item, update item, get ordered by ID, and so on. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a customer. Then click on connect with Razorpay. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have two blanks to fill, key ID and the key secret. So to get the key ID and the key secret from Razorpay, let's go to Razorpay. And again at the left bottom, you will find the option called as settings. Click this. Okay, so my account has been logged. I'm not a robot. Just have it unlocked. Okay. So after that, let's have a visit to this part called as API keys. So as you can see, it is already showing the key ID, but unfortunately I have forgotten my key secret. So I'm going to regenerate the test key. Click this and just click on deactivate old key immediately and then click on OK. Okay, so basically we have got the key ID. This is the key ID. Copy this and paste it here. Similarly, key secret, copy this and then paste it here. Okay, so all the details has been entered. Just click on save. Okay, so as you can see, a series of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a customer from the data that we have received from Autopilot via Pabbly Connect. So before we sync in this data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. Okay, so we have three fields to fill: name, email, and the contact. So to fill in this field, we need the mapping button. This is called as the mapping button. Click this and just type name. Okay, so this is the data we have received. First name, that is 𝗪𝗆𝗆𝗃. Enter a space, and in case if you want to enter the last name. Okay, so this is the last name. Now similarly with the email, just type email. Okay, now comes the contact required. Contact is basically the phone number, so we have the phone number, this one. Okay, now fail on the existing customer, we have two choices. For the yes, it basically means if already there is an existing customer, it will show an error. The no basically means if there is an existing customer, it won't show any kind of error, just will fetch the details and establish a contact, establish a customer. Okay, so I'm just keeping it as no, I don't want the error detail. Okay, so as far as the notes is concerned, I'm just going to type some random things like autopilot contacts. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so basically all the details has been entered. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to Razorpay. So let's have a look in Razorpay. Just click on OK. Okay. Then let's go to customers. So as you can see, we have a customer name called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆. This is the email address and this is the contact. Excellent. So we have got a customer from Autopilot, okay, into Razorpay. This means we have successfully integrated Razorpay and Autopilot with help of Pabbly Connect. Now how about we double check the integration is working fine or not. But before that, let me go to Pabbly Connect and show you the gist of the whole process. Okay, so I have minimized both my windows, the trigger window and the action window. Okay, so basically this is the whole mechanism in a nutshell. First you integrated Autopilot to Pabbly Connect and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Razorpay. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Autopilot and Razorpay. Excellent. So how about we create one more contact in Autopilot. So let's go to all contacts. Okay, so I'm going to click on all contact. Sorry, just going to click on add contact. This time let's keep it as miss, and these are the details. I have entered the detail. This is the first name, this is the last name, 𝗪𝗵𝘆, and this is the email, and this is the company, this is the phone number, and this is the address. Okay, so all the details has been entered. Just click on add contact. Okay, so a person called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has been added as a contact in Autopilot. Now let's see whether a customer called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 is present or not. So let's refresh this. Okay, yes, we have a customer called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and this is her email address and this is her phone number. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new contact is added in Autopilot, it will be reflected as a customer in Razorpay.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.